Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah, but it was a long day.
Yeah, it was a long day. I love you.
I love you.
I love you more.
I love you super.
That much? Good job. Look, your DVD?
Yeah.
Make
It
it
goes in there.
$2.99 or $2 or however you want to put it. Yeah.
Come here, Carson.
$7.50 now.
Carson. Come here. Look, give me the book.
Let's do
Where'd it go?
Yeah, it goes in there. You gotta wait.
pay it.
Okay. Wait, Carson. Okay, put it in there. Sorry. Let's keep looking. Let's find another one. Yeah, let's see.
What are you looking for?
Oh, look, here's one, buddy. Come here.
Tell what to do. Tell what to do. Wanna do it, goes. This goes there. Then this goes there, and the apple goes.
Yeah, look. Say good morning. What are you looking at?
Yeah.
Yeah, the pool's right there. Yeah, pool. We're currently at the park and the boys are playing. I think it's about almost 9 o'clock. And he, of course, has two little cars in his hand. Look. Let me see your cars. Can I see your cars? Whoa, I like those.
And when it click up, we both would.
Do it again?
Yeah, that was so funny because it ran on in wheels. Wait for me! Yeah.
Cars, yeah. Keep going, buddy. Keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would if it stayed down. See, look. Let's keep it down.
You going up too?
See, if it didn't fall back, it would.
Well, good morning, guys. There's Ryan. Thomas is inside paying a bill. It is 10:36 Monday morning still, and we're about to go pick up Carson because he gets out at 11. And yeah, start our day. Carson? Yeah. Say Carson? Yeah, good job. Carson.
Oh wait, is it 190? Sorry,
Carson.
There's
There's Ryan. Tom's getting her glasses. Hi. Hi. Hey, why do you look so grumpy? Don't be grumpy. You got a bug? Let me see. That's a rock. You got a rock. Yeah, rock. No, don't eat the rock. No. Ew. There's Roxy. Roxy, can you end the vlog? Can you say bye, guys? Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. That wasn't really a wave.